1, 2, 3, test. So this is Quelltech laser scanner. Here we test a weld bead on aluminum. They're so-called donuts you see on the upper right hand, and we are scanning with a blue laser Q6 running over two of those donuts, the weld beads, and we'll analyze the weld beads shape and form. Now we can start the measurement. There's a linear axis with a motor on it, and it moves over these targets now. Okay, now we'll have to set the contrast. You see on the left side this is a colored image, a TIFF image, and we increase the contrast now so that we can see these donuts, these weld beads. And then we can make a line, a profile, which we put on top of this. And you see already the two donuts in this field. On the left hand side is the good donut. Of course, the left way bead is much higher than the right one, but it is still tolerable. And then on the right hand side you see a donut which has a little bubble on the very right hand side. There's a little hill there which should not be there. And of course we also see on this donut there is a missing part of about 90 degrees which are not welded. So this would be a not okay weld. We can, if we move this line further down, we can see that it'll just vanish. You see there's no weld bead anymore, only on the right hand side, and this is of course is not a good weld. So with this laser scanner the weld beads can be analyzed quite well. The resolution is about 10 microns in Z and about 10 microns in X, so it's very precise, and all these values at the profile down here are in millimeter calibrated.